Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Safa Amelia. I'm here, the student of TBI English Teaching and Learning Program at UIN Madura, and I'm 23rd grade. And here I'm the student who is still learning and also growing myself and discovering my potential. So if someone asked me a few years ago about my future, I probably have no clear answer for them, but because of even today I'm still exploring my possibilities. But through my academic journey, I have to start to understand myself better. One thing that I have realized is that I enjoy speaking more than writing, so I feel more comfortable expressing my ideas through conversation, discussion, and also presentation in front of the class. So speaking allows me to share many things, many ideas, and also my thought directly with other people and connect with them. So, in the past, I often felt nervous when speaking in front of others. I worried about making mistakes and also judged by people. But little by little, I learned that confidence doesn't come naturally and directly, because it develops through practice, experience, and also willingness to keep trying. And as a student, I have experienced many opportunities to speak in front of others, in front of many people, through presentation, discussion, and also micro teaching activities. So I learned that how to explain my ideas, and also answering question and communicate with other people. So these experiences help me become more and more confident than the past, and taught me that communication is not only about speaking but also about listening and understanding each other. So one of the most memorable experiences for me was during in public speaking course. In that class, in public speaking course, every student had to be ready and also prepared well, because anyone could be chosen to be to present and yes, to present their ideas about the topic that we will learn at the day. So because of that situation, encouraged me to prepare well and seriously to improve my understanding of the topic before the meeting. Sometimes after presenting, the lecturer would ask unexpected questions that make me feel nervous and also confused at that time. But those moments taught me that how to think critically and stay calm, and also respond as clear as possible. From those experiences, I learned that communication is not about being perfect, but it's about being willing to learn more and improve day by day, year by year, and also that need time to improve it. So my academic interest is focuses on public speaking and communications. So I'm interested in how communication, and also helping other and understand each other people. So build positive relationship and also share meaningful ideas. It's my academic interest. So as a future educator, I believe that communication has an important role in promoting religious moderations in a diverse society. People may have different ideas, different background, and many others. Through respectful communications, we can learn to appreciate those differences and create more meaningful and peaceful environment. So good communications help us to listen before judging and understand before responding. I also believe that communication can support environmental awareness, so that which is closely related to idea and and ecotheology. Yes, related to idea, that's ecotheology idea, which is as a human being we have responsibility to care and also yes, and also aware about environment. Through communications and also education, we can encourage people to learn and also to be more aware of environmental issues that, and also take a simple actions to protect the future. So for me, communication is not only about a skill, it is also a tool to create positive change. Through communications, we can share ideas, knowledge, and build understanding and also inspire each others. So one of the strengths of being expressive when I speak, I enjoy interacting with people, creating a friendly atmosphere. Even though I still feel nervous sometimes, I always try to face those feelings and continue learning. So in the future, I want to become an educator and communicator who can share knowledge and ideas in a clear, friendly, and also meaningful way. So I want to help students feel confident in expressing their ideas and encourage them to respect each other and care for the world around them. I know that I still have many things to learn, but I believe that every presentation, every discussion, and every presentations that will help me become a better communicator and also a better educator. So this is how I want to recognize by others as someone who communicates with confidence, respect differences, and also care about others and also about environment, and continue to grow through learning. Okay, maybe just it from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.